There's something pretty cool right here. They've got called the American Road Trip Series. It's got one from every state.
Why not go when the wild keeps calling your name? Why not go chase that sunrise just the same? From the campfire glow to the ripples where the cast lines throw. If you wonder why not ask? Why not go?
Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today while we're up here in Chattanooga, we just decided to stop by the Lodge factory store. Go in here and see what it's got. Been here a couple times, not sure if I ever made a video, but anyway, we're gonna take you along with us, so come let's check out what they got at the Lodge store. Look there, they grilled to see me. Alright, as you walk in, got all kinds of cool cast iron stuff. Look at that little grill. You can buy you a whole set of cast iron now. And they've got a museum of cast iron.
Hey, if you get me in it, at least tag me.
I got you, man. Look at them pot handle covers. Yes, sir. Leather. You got all kinds of stuff to take care of your cast iron. They even got some Wagyu beef tallow. Got some Dutch ovens here. Got several of them. Popcorn seasoning. They got all kinds of seasoning here. Barbecue sauce. Look there, a tin can double barrel smoker. Take the portable smoke anywhere. Hadn't seen that before. This place I like, this the bargain bin, where they got like blemish stuff at a discount. So you can get your Dutch oven bottom there, Dutch oven top there. There's one of them big Dutch ovens. 10 1/4 inch skillet. Got some more different size skillets here. Dutch oven. They call them factory seconds, but they're pretty good. Very little wrong with them. They got all kinds up and down through here. Got different sizes over there. They even got some granite ware. That's what you're interested in. Got a bargain box. Different things in it. Got some enamel pots. Look at that, even got a butane stove. Can cooker. Got another rack of factory seconds here. Looks like this is mostly skillets. Even got a camp tripod to hang your Dutch oven over your campfire. That's my Sportsman's Pro cast iron grill. Stoneware casserole dishes. Gotta have a ticket. Go in there. That's a different looking one there. Finex, that's what it's called. I read the sign, I know that stuff. Oh, they got some Finex prices on it too. Let's back away from that slowly. I guess this is, excuse me. This is the first runs here.
And these go on the other end.
They're not bad prices on some of that. You get your combo set. Cast iron. Got some hot pan holders, towels. Got an old bicycle. You can get you one of these griddles here. It's reversible. Grooves on one side, smooth on the other. In case you don't know how to cook in cast iron, they got a recipe book. Look at that. The Scouts Campfire Cookbook for kids. That's pretty cool, man. They got all kinds of little knick-knack kitchen stuff here to help you out. And on the very back wall, they've got some of that enamel cast iron. In different colors. They've got blue, red, green, desert sage. And there's a black. Look at there. That's another color. That's oyster is what they call that.
Very, very useful. I love it. I know it's 2 hours.
Look at there. They got a save. 7.5 quart enamel Dutch ovens, red or storm. I guess the blue's called storm. 50% off. Regular $99. So you can get that for $50 right there. And them things are heavy. Really heavy. They got some sizzleware. And then they got wooden dishes. And a cast iron place. Get you a fajita set. Yep, this place is pretty cool here. In case you're hungry, they got a big bad breakfast in here. Get you a little something to eat. Open every day, 7 a.m. 2:30 p.m. Get your Uncle Bud's deep fried peanuts. There's something pretty cool right here. they've got called the American Road Trip Series. It's got one from every state. Tennessee right there. North Carolina, California. And just go up, you got Delaware, Rhode Island, New York, South Carolina. That's pretty neat. It's $38.95 for the 12-inch.
They call it a mini.
It's $29.95 for the 10 and a quarter inch.
I've got an old one like this.
Take your choice. That's pretty cool. You got different mixes here. Chocolate gravy mix, buttermilk biscuit mix, white gravy mix, buttermilk pancake mix. Get you some sourdough bread mix. Pour, stir, and bake. I might could even do that. Got some maple syrup, vanilla, got some cherry apple butter, all kinds of jams and butters here. And look at here. You can get your red, white, and blue Dutch oven set, enamel Dutch oven set. At the sale prices. If you're interested in that. Red, white, and blue dish rags. And a serving tray. And a spoon rest. Alright folks, that's going to be a wrap here at the Lodge Factory Store. Got a museum in there, got a Big Bad Egg restaurant in there. And of course they got cast iron out the years, so y'all come check them out. Lodge Cast Iron Factory Store, South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, right off I-24. As we say when we're planning our next new adventure, why not go check out a Lodge store with some cast iron statues?
Why not go when the wild keeps calling your name? Why not go chase that sunrise just the same? From the campfire glow to the ripples where the cast lines throw. If you wonder